everyone, well, today I'm going to discuss something we use every day but rarely think about hardware, software, and operating system. I'm Jean Rainey and let's get started. First, let's talk about hardware. Basically, if you can touch it, see it, or move it, it's hardware. Hardware is the physical component of a computer that can be touched, seen, or moved. Its function is basically execute instruction given. Hardware categories consist of four. Input device. These are how you communicate with the computer, such as using a keyboard or mouse. Processing unit. The computer brain, namely the CPU. This is the part that does the heavy lifting. Output device. These are how the computer responds to us, such as a monitor or speakers. Storage, where we store data, such as RAM for temporary data and SSDs or HDD for permanent data. Hardware is divided into two components. There are internal components such as the motherboard, RAM, and CPU that are hidden inside the case. Then there are external components which are the device within or your desk, such as a monitor, printer, or even USB flash driver. Next is software. If hardware is the body, software is the soul or the brain. You can touch it because it's just data instruction that tell the hardware what to do. Type of software include operating system, manage hardware, and provide a user interface such as Windows, macOS, Linux, and Android. Application software, program for specific user tasks such as Microsoft Word, Google Chrome, and Photoshop. Programming language, tool for creating other software such as Python, C++, and Java. Utility software means and protects the computer such as antivirus, Avast, and Kaspersky. Firmware embedded software that is permanently embedded is the hardware. Let's focus a bit on the operating system. This is the most important software because it acts as a bridge between us and the hardware. Examples of popular operating system: Windows, most widely used of Office and general purpose. macOS used exclusively on Apple devices. Linux, open source, popular among programmers and for server management. Android and iOS operating system designed specifically for mobile devices. So what does the operating system actually do? It's like a big manager. Resource management, effectively managing the use of memory, the processor, and data storage. Process management, managing application execution, device management, controlling input or output device via drivers. File management, managing the file storage, organization, and access. User interface, providing a clever user interface. Security, protecting data and system resources from authorized access, and error handling. To wrap it up, making a restaurant, the hardware is the building and software is the menu, and the operating system is the manager. Make sure everything runs on time. When they work together, we get a good computer experience. That's all for me. I hope this gives you a better look at how our computer actually works. Thank you so much for attention. Bye bye.